Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making chickpeas coconut curry. I honestly can't believe that I haven't prepared this recipe till now. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add oil. Keep the heat at medium in the beginning. Add cumin seeds. Once the seed starts to crackle, add finely chopped onion and cook till they are slightly translucent. You can cook them over medium or high heat. Make sure to stir them occasionally so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. After 5 to 7 minutes, you'll start to see the change in color and texture. Once the onion turns slightly golden, add finely chopped garlic and cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat or till the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Now it's time to add the spices: turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder, and cook over low heat. Ensure that the heat is at low because the spices can get burned easily. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will notice that the oil will start to ooze out of the onion and spices. Add the blend of tomatoes followed by salt. I've simply blended 3 medium tomatoes without any water. You can use tomato puree as well. If you're preparing this for a party or special occasion, I would recommend to use a good tomato puree as it will bring a great color to this dish. Cook till the oil starts to separate. You will notice that the oil will start to float on top of the onion tomato paste. Give it a mix to make sure that it is evenly cooked and then add the boiled chickpeas and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. This way the spices will infuse better within the chickpeas, making them more flavorful. Once the chickpeas are coated with the gravy, add the coconut milk. I'm using a low-fat coconut milk, but you can use a creamy one too. I swirled some water in the tomato bowl and add it to the curry. Mix everything well. Let it cook over low heat and let the curry come to a boil. If you are new to my channel, I'm here to help you in your vegan journey with easy recipes. So make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications. After 7 to 10 minutes, it will start to boil. This is a good quantity of curry and can be served to a minimum of 6 people. Add garam masala powder and cook for another 2 minutes over low heat. Mash a few chickpeas and that way you will get a little bit thicker gravy, but this is totally optional. Then switch off the heat and garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. For the best results, use the dry chickpeas instead of the canned ones, as nothing beats the flavor and the texture of chickpeas cooked from the dried ones. Canned chickpeas are good as a speedy option, but they can't compare to freshly cooked chickpeas. Soak the chickpeas overnight in enough water to hydrate them. Once soaked and puffed up, remove any impurities or grit that may have floated on the surface of water and wash it thoroughly before boiling. And this way you will get the best chickpeas coconut curry ever. Serve it with either chapati, paratha or my favorite, steamed rice. I always add some lime juice while serving the chickpeas curry as it brings out the flavor and pairs perfectly with the creaminess too. This coconut milk chickpea curry needs one pot, is freezer friendly and is packed with flavors. See how easy it is? So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. Make sure you check out these 2 scrumptious vegan recipes.